Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of calluses on your feet overnight. So stay tuned. I'll be adding apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acid and antifungal properties. It will help to regulate the pH balance on our skin. It will help to neutralize bad odor, soften the skin, and hydrate the feet. Here I have lemons, so I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. Lemon will help to exfoliate, get rid of foot odor. It will also help to remove dead skin cells. So when I'm done adding the lemon, I'm going to add some few drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiseptic property. It will help to soothe sore, remove foot odor. It is also useful for treating toe or nail fungi infection. Add warm water. You can mix it with cold water. Then soak your feet for about 20 minutes or more. This foot soak will help to soften dry heels, treat toenail fungi, foot odor, and also it will help to treat calluses, remove dead skin cells, and also help to remove detox from the body. When I notice that my foot has softened, I'm going to use foot scrubber to scrub to remove the dead skin cells. I'm done scrubbing. I'll moisturize my foot with oil. You can use Vaseline, olive oil, or sunflower oil. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.